Okay, I'm getting ready to put the heat exchanger back in, and I wanted to go over this. First off, make sure that thermostat is in the correct position. All right, I have put new O-rings and applied some grease to these, as it says in the service manual. And one critical thing about these is they are identical, but they are different diameters. And the service manual will tell you that the chamfered side of this surface here, it's chamfered on this side, faces the heat exchanger. And when you look at it from a side view, you can tell this side's bigger. There's no way you're gonna get that in there. You can try if you want, you're just gonna destroy it. So fair warning, don't do that. So once you get this ready, just put those in there with the new O-rings, make sure they seat. Put some grease on both sides. So these are ready to go back in there. Ready? All right, and we're ready to put the heat exchanger on. I'm gonna try to slide it in here nice and square. Okay, again, the fittings, water hose fittings go down. So I'm gonna line this up, square it off. And get it started on there. Put a little bit of body weight behind it. And there we are. Get a couple of fasteners started. And you gotta pick it up just a little bit because you do have that slack on those O-rings. So make sure you hold that up a little bit while you get these fasteners started. This is where if you're trying to rush and using an impact gun or something silly, you can cross thread these. You don't want to do that. Takes a little effort pushing it over and picking it up a little bit to get those started. Okay, once you have these two fasteners in here, that one's a little harder to put in the bottom one. Again, push it over and up to get those started by hand. These two will go right in. It's lined up really well now. Once you're finished here, it's just going to be torquing these two on this side and these two to 30 foot-pounds, as the service manual says. And put your hoses back on. Be ready to fill it up back up with antifreeze. And that wraps up changing the heat exchanger, taking it off, cleaning it out, and putting it back on. So that finishes up putting this back together. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Again, if you have any other videos you'd like to see, just let me know. Contact me here on YouTube. And if you like the video, hey, subscribe. Thanks.